Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Whatever is made from scratch in your kitchen always tastes better. Before the Industrial Revolution, our great-grandmothers made almost everything at home. Here's a simple condiment recipe that most of you won't even bother to make. But you should, because the taste is far superior to the ones from the supermarket. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make homemade mayonnaise. Making this recipe from scratch will elevate any dish you'll be using this condiment in. After trying this mayo at home, you won't go back to the store-bought ones. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll use an immersion blender for this recipe, or you can also use a blender. Some home cooks use a food processor to make mayonnaise, so use what you're most comfortable with, alright? So we'll add some Dijon mustard to the egg yolks, and we'll start processing slowly by adding oil a little at a time. Don't rush anything, otherwise if you do, your mayo will separate. Just keep pouring slowly, okay? When we reach the desired consistency, we'll add lemon juice, white wine vinegar, some ground Himalayan sea salt, and granulated sugar. We'll process again until the ingredients are all very well blended and the mayonnaise is thick again, just like this. And my friends, this is how we make homemade mayonnaise. This gorgeous emulsion of egg yolks and oil brings this homemade mayo to a whole new level of yumminess. Fresh is the best, and by making your own, you'll appreciate how good mayonnaise can be. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!